Hey neighbors, I just wanted to put something out here real quick. Has anyone been thinking about getting some paint done but just hasn't gotten around to it yet? Maybe it's one of those things you've been meaning to do, but it just keeps getting pushed down the list further and further. And you know what? I totally get it. Right now, I'm working with a brother in Christ who has had a rough stretch lately, and he's doing his best to get back on his feet. He's a really skilled painter with 35 years of experience, and he does solid, honest work. He takes a lot of pride in what he does, and he's got real integrity. I've been helping him line up some jobs, and we're just trying to get out the word locally. So if you've got any painting projects coming up, interior, exterior, trim, touch-ups, whatever it is, please let me know. I'd be happy to stop by and give a quick quote. And just to say thanks, we're actually offering a $50 gift card for anyone who books a job with us this month. And if you refer someone who ends up booking, we'll send you a $25 gift card just to show our appreciation. And you know, this is really about more than just paint. It's about helping someone rebuild and giving them a chance to move forward through honest work. We'd really appreciate any support, even if it's just help spreading the word among neighbors. Thank you so much, and let me know if you have any questions.